Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to place an order in the AliExpress application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So first, just search for a product that you want to put into your cart. And then just click on the cart button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see here, you will find all the products that are currently in your cart. So if you want to add more, then just click on this white circle next to it. And at the checkout part, you can see that there are 3 products waiting there. So if you want to continue, then just click on that. And then you have to give your address first. So just fill out these forms and informations about your shipping address, and then just click on the save button. And then you have to set the payment method. You can, in this case, you can choose the pay after delivery option if you want to, or just you can add the new card, and you can also pay by PayPal and Apple Pay. And then you will be able to see the shipping costs and everything. And then in the summary, you will be able to find all the costs broken down into different categories. Also, if you have a promo code, you can enter it here. And once you're ready, just click on the Pay Now button, and it is your things are ordered. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.